Do you want to know how you can log into your Logomaster AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Logomaster AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar and then search for Logomaster AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Logomaster where you can make a logo in 5 minutes for you. So you can see there are some professional looking logos over here. You can make the same kind of logos for your company. Go ahead and click create your logo now, which is on the top right hand side, and you can see login or sign up on the top right hand side of your screen. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up and you can create a Logomaster AI account for yourself today. But if you already have an account, click login. In a while, this portal will open up. If you want to log in using your Facebook or Google account, you can click on these and then you can log into your Logomaster using your Facebook or Google account. But if you want to use your email address for login into your account, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address, write down the password to your account of Logomaster AI, click I am not a robot, and then select the parking meters or anything which is shown. So after you verify it, you can see the tick mark will be shown. Then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Logomaster AI account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and then write down your email address over here, click I am not a robot, and then click restore my password. A mail will be sent to the email which you have written here, and then you can recover your password or change it easily. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up for an account and you can create a Logomaster AI account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Logomaster AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.